Welcome to Saigon, a city of contrasts where ancient traditions blend seamlessly with modern innovations. Join us as we explore the 15 best experiences this vibrant city has to offer. Begin your journey by strolling down Nguyen Hue Street, the beating heart of Saigon. Admire the majestic city hall and soak in the lively atmosphere of this bustling area. Enjoy the Lotus Fountain and the lotus flowers around it. Immerse yourself in the cultural richness of Saigon by attending a performance at the Opera House. Marvel at its architectural splendor and enjoy a night of exquisite music and dance. No visit to Saigon is complete without paying homage to the iconic Notre-Dame Cathedral. Unfortunately, it was being renovated during our visit. Step back in time as you visit the Saigon Central Post Office, a masterpiece of French colonial architecture. Send a postcard to loved ones or simply marvel at its intricate design.
What are you doing, Tim?
I'm writing a postcard for my grandma in Germany.
In the biggest post office in Vietnam?
Yeah, and they have like special tables where you can sit down and write your postcard. Looks really nice.
Dive into the sensory delights of Ben Thanh Market, where the aromas of exotic spices and the vibrant colors of fresh produce tantalize the senses. Sample local delicacies and haggle for souvenirs in this bustling marketplace.
Saying all of the same stuff all over again. Same t-shirts and everything. Now it's changing. Now I also smell and see food.
Seek solace and tranquility at the 10,000 Buddha Pagoda, a hidden gem nestled amidst the urban sprawl of Chinatown, Saigon. Make sure to make it all the way to the top floor to marvel at the countless Buddha statues that adorn its sacred hall. Recharge your senses with a cup of the famous Vietnamese coffee at Cheese Coffee. They have many shops in town, but the Pasteur location is really stunning from the inside.
But I have the salted cream coffee and it really looks absolutely beautiful. But I now need to destroy it because I want to mix all the layers. So, bye! Yeah, it's really like the Vietnamese coffee with the condensed milk, but also a hint of saltiness. So really sweet, but also a little salty. Quite nice.
Embark on a spiritual journey to the Jade Emperor Pagoda, a gorgeous Buddhist temple. Admire its intricate architecture and witness devotees offering prayers and incense in this sacred sanctuary. Experience the harmony of faiths at the Cao Dai Temple, a vibrant testament to the eclectic religious landscape of Vietnam. Marvel at its colorful facade and immerse yourself in the rituals of this unique religion, combining many different religions all into one. Discover the pastel charm of Tan Dinh Church, also known as the Pink Church. Admire its elegant architecture and bask in the serenity of its hallowed halls. Treat your taste buds to a bowl of steaming hot pho, Vietnam's iconic noodle soup. A distinct spicy broth and delicious beef make this hearty dish so special. The flavors are unlike any other noodle soup in the world.
This broth is so typically Vietnamese, like this 5 spices combined with the beef flavor. This is not like the regular broth that you know from ramen dishes or something. So this is definitely something that makes it stand apart from any other noodle soup. I love this.
Pay homage to the divine at the Mariam Hindu temple, a vibrant oasis of spirituality in the heart of Saigon. Marvel at its intricate carvings and immerse yourself in the rich tapestry of Hindu mythology. Explore the cultural diversity of Saigon's Japantown. Visit one of the many restaurants, but be aware of the ladies waiting out in the streets to invite you into their brothels. Indulge your senses at Bang Nhe Food Hall, a gastronomic paradise where the flavors of Saigon come alive. From savory street food to mouth-watering desserts, this bustling market is a culinary adventure waiting to be savored. Satisfy your sweet tooth at Monkey Gallery Dessert Bar, where artful creations and delicious treats collide. Indulge in the best high-end gourmet desserts Saigon has to offer and let your taste buds dance with delight.
Really fantastic. Never had a dessert like this before. So if you want to go for really amazing special desserts and also amazing drinks, which are based on desserts, then go here for sure. It's awesome.
But wait, we have 3 bonus tips for you. Delve into Vietnam's rich history with a visit to the Independence Palace, the former seat of government and a symbol of the country's struggle for freedom. Or pay tribute to the resilience of the Vietnamese people at the War Remnants Museum, where harrowing tales of war and suffering are told through powerful exhibits and pictures. As the sun sets, experience the vibrant nightlife of Bui Vien Street, where neon lights and lively crowds beckon you to dance the night away. From ancient temples to bustling markets, Saigon is a city of endless wonders waiting to be explored. Come lose yourself in its vibrant streets and discover the magic of this enchanting metropolis. Subscribe to our channel for more Vietnam videos and make sure to watch our Saigon food tour video after this one. You will be amazed at all the amazing food Ho Chi Minh City has to offer. Please don't forget to like this video and we'll see you very soon on another video. Thanks for watching. Bye.